Hello everyone, this is Dave Tech here, and I got an amazing gift to show you guys today. So I just want to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel because without you I wouldn't have gotten a gift like this. So a couple of weeks ago I got a message from a company in China called Sling TV Box, and it gave me one of their products to test out. So I just received the package a couple of weeks ago, and I unboxed it. And in this video I'm going to show you what it is, and also we are going to give a review on what it is. So just go follow me as I unbox this box. So I want to say thank you once again for everyone who has been watching my YouTube channel from the beginning till this moment, because if not of you, I won't be getting partnership gifts like this on my YouTube channel. So I'm really glad and appreciate you all. So this is a TV box that I received from Sling TV. It's called Sling TV box. It came all the way from China. They gave it to me for free for me to test it, and also I'm going to be showing you guys what it is. So at the end of this video also, we are going to be seeing how it works. I'm going to put it on my TV and we're going to see how it works. So here is the box. As you can see, this Sling TV box is an Express 4K S5 Max. It's a 4K Sling TV box and it's very amazing. In the link, there's a link in the description of this video. There you can go ahead to the to that page and see everything that's included in this TV box, like their channels, what they offer. You can just click the link and you see everything offered. But you can still watch right up to the end of this video. I'm also going to show you once I plug it to my TV. I'm going to be showing you all what is inside. So here is the box. It comes with a remote control, a cable, an internet cable, and a charger cable. So this is the box I received from Sling TV. So I just want to say thank you so much to Sling TV box for this amazing gift. I wouldn't have ever expected to receive something like this, and this is just the beginning. And I just want to thank all my followers and subscribers for all of this, because without you I won't be receiving gifts like this. So this is a box. Up next, let's see what it comes with. So before I plug into my TV screen and show you everything, let's just look at the physical body of the TV box. So here's how it looks like. It comes with four ports over here, as you can see, and there's a four port on the other side. On this side here, we'll have where you can put your headsets. We'll have the HDMI port, the internet port, and the charging port. Once you turn over the other way, you're also going to see two USB port, a TF port, and also your light, your remote light. So this is how the box looks physically. It's very easy, very handy, and it's very good. I'm going to plug into my TV a couple of seconds from now. Let's explore. So now let's go onto my TV and see what it comes with. So now I've plugged the Sling TV box to my TV, and one of the things that I love about this TV box is that it comes with a screen recorder. So this is a screen recorder on the TV box that I'm currently using to record this particular video here. So now let's just explore it. One of the things here is the App Store. You can come over to the App Store or the apps that are available. These are apps I've already installed to my Android TV. You could see the TV box there. So now, if you go over to the App Store, this is where you install other applications to it. Now, but before launch the App Store, let's connect to the internet. So, connect to the internet is quite simple. Just go over here and put in your password of your Wi-Fi box, and then connect to the internet. Once you've connected to the internet, it's just simple. Just go ahead and launch the App Store. So there are various applications in the App Store, as you can see on my screen right here. And to install any of these applications here, you just have to click on it once and it's installed. So these are the applications that are found on the App Store of the Sling TV box. Of course, you can also add your own App Store if you want. Now, there are other stuff like VOD, videos on demand. So if you go over to this application, it shows you lots of videos or movies on demand. So in for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to blur this, I'm going to blur this, but if you come over to the application, it shows you lots, there are thousands of them there. So I'm blurring this. Now you come over to live TV here. This is also where you have all your channels. Now, as I said earlier, if you click on the link description of this video, there is a link I've attached there. Just go over to their page and you're going to see everything that the Sling TV box offers. Whatever you want, their channels, movies, whatever they have, the features of the TV box. Just go over to their page and you see everything that is there. But for the sake of this, I want to say that for this TV box to smoothly work with you, your internet speed must be relatively faster. So you need a good internet to really enjoy this TV box. So if you don't have an internet that is good, it might really be stressful to enjoy it to its full capacity. So before you get this TV box, or if you're choosing to get this TV box, please make sure you have a fast internet provider. So as I can say so far from what I've been enjoying in this TV box, I really love it. It has become my favorite my favorite device right now because it provides me with basically everything I do need, from watching movies to channels to even recording this video. And one of the things they are going to recognize about my channel soon is that you're going to see a lot of videos about TV box, and all this is thanks to TV box or to Sling TV box. So if you're interested in getting this TV box, it's simple. Just in the description, there is a link there that I've attached. You can go over to that page and see everything about the TV box if you want. Now, this is just how it looks like. There are other functions like you can add a shortcut, you can change your wallpaper, you can install all the applications that you want. Maybe you want to install Netflix or whatever you want to install to your TV box. You can install it just like an Android TV, just that it's a TV box. And this is just my applications I can add. I can add a short call. I can just add this down here, and there are lots of other stuff that you can play with. Like there's a media player down here. You can go to media player if and the space. I even forgot to talk about the space. This TV box comes with a 128 gigabyte space that you can use to download or whatever you want to add to your TV box. So this is just it, and I just love it. And once again, I just want to say thank you to everyone. So if you are someone who wants to get a TV box, I'll highly recommend the Sling TV box. It is one of my favorite devices right now. And also I keep saying thank you to JC and Sling TV box all the way from China for giving me this wonderful gift. So if you want to get a Sling TV box, it's quite simple. In the description of this video, I've attached a link. Just click on the link, go over to that page, and you can read everything about the Sling TV box and all the features. I cannot talk about all the features on this YouTube video, but if you go over to the page, you are going to realize everything that Sling TV box has to offer to you. And if you're interested in getting it, just go over and purchase any of their options. But I'll recommend this Sling TV box S5 Max. It's a 4K. The video quality is actually very, very good. I love it. The video quality is very, very, very good. That's one of the things I love about this Sling TV box. And it's very easy to use. It's not really that, it's not complicated to use. Very, very easy to use. So if you want to get one, just click on the link in my description, go over to that page, read everything about it, and also that disclaimer, and you can go ahead and get a TV box for yourself. And this TV box is going to be shipped to anywhere you are from around the world. This was shipped to me from China, or it took a couple of days for it to reach me. But wherever you are found, this TV box is going to be shipped to you. And I think on their page, shipment is free, delivery is free. I don't know. So just go back to their page and you can place your order and you'll receive your TV box in a couple of days. So thank you all for watching this video right up to this end. And if you have any questions, please just ask them in the comment section. And if there's something you want to tell me, if there's another TV box you want to recommend to me, just let me know in the comment. And if there's any problem you want me to handle, please let me know. And once again, thank you to everyone I've been watching videos on my channel. I'm just so grateful to you. Because of you, I got a gift like this, and I'm very, very, very happy. So thank you once again to Slick TV Box for this amazing gift. And I'm going to be creating lots of videos on how to use a TV box. So you want to stay much to my channel for more videos concerning TV box. Thank you.